Looking to upgrade your home with style, comfort, and a touch of luxury? You've come to the right place. Today, we're checking out the hottest home essentials, from elegant sofas and cozy swivel chairs to stunning coffee tables and eye-catching crystal chandeliers. Whether you're redesigning your living room, adding flair to your entryway, or just looking for that perfect statement piece, these products combine modern design, durability, and everyday functionality. I'll walk you through each item, show you what makes them special, and help you decide which pieces are worth adding to your home today. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which luxury and stylish home essentials will transform your space into a beautiful, cozy, and modern haven. Velvet Chesterfield Sofa. Looking to upgrade your living room? Let's talk about the three-piece living room set, Velvet Chesterfield Sofa, Love Seat, and Chair in Gray. This set includes a full-size three-seater sofa, a love seat, and a single chair, so there's plenty of seating for family and guests. What makes it stand out is the luxurious Chesterfield design. You get deep button tufting, elegant nailhead trim, and rolled arms that instantly bring a touch of class to any space. Crafted with soft Dutch velvet and a solid wood frame, this set isn't just stylish, it's built to last. And comfort. The cushions are filled with high-resilience foam, meaning every seat feels plush and supportive. Whether you're entertaining friends or enjoying a quiet evening, this set transforms your living room into a warm, inviting sanctuary. If you want style, comfort, and durability in one package, this Chesterfield three-piece set is a fantastic choice for your home. Firmax Sectional Couches. Need more space and comfort in your living room? Meet the Firmax U-shaped sectional sofa with double chase in gray. This four-seat sofa is perfect for families, apartments, or anyone who loves extra lounging space. It's made with breathable linen fabric that's soft to the touch and built to last, thanks to its solid wood frame with a 650-pound weight capacity. The high-density sponge cushions give you that balance of comfort and support, and the covers are removable and washable, so keeping it clean is simple. The U-shaped design with double chaise means no more fighting for the best seat, everyone gets a cozy spot to stretch out. And the best part? Assembly is quick and easy, taking less than 20 minutes. If you want a couch that combines durability, comfort, and style, the Firmax Sectional is a fantastic choice for your living room. Luxury Velvet Couch Gray. Looking for a sofa that's stylish, durable, and incredibly comfortable? Meet the mid-century modern Chesterfield two-piece sofa set in gray and gold. This luxury set is wrapped in premium Italian velvet, giving it a soft, cloud-like feel that's perfect for lounging or napping. The golden stainless steel legs and accents bring a touch of modern glam, while each seat supports up to 350 pounds, so it's as sturdy as it is beautiful. Inside, you'll find a solid wood frame, spring packs, and high-density foam that deliver lasting comfort and support. And the best part? Setup is a breeze. The sofa arrives 80% assembled, you just attach the legs, and you're ready to enjoy. Complete with two matching pillows, this Chesterfield-style sofa set is more than furniture. It's a statement piece that transforms any room into a stylish, cozy retreat. Luxury Velvet L-shape. Want to add luxury and comfort to your living room? Check out the 110.5-inch Luxury Velvet L-shape Chesterfield sofa set with gold accents. This oversized sectional blends classic tufted Chesterfield design with elegant gold-plated stainless steel details, instantly elevating your space. The curved arms with hand-tufted accents give it a true European flair. It's wrapped in plush Italian velvet that feels silky soft, while inside you get high-density foam layered over sinuous and pocket coil springs for the perfect balance of comfort and support. Each seat holds up to 300 pounds, thanks to a frame built with thick steel and solid wood. It even comes with 7 matching pillows and arrives in 4 compact boxes for easy delivery. Setup is simple, and customer support is available 24/7 if needed. If you're searching for a sofa that's stylish, sturdy, and unbelievably comfortable, this Chesterfield sectional is the perfect choice. Avzier three-piece living room. Looking for a sofa that's both luxurious and practical? Meet the Avzier three-piece Chesterfield velvet sofa set in white. This classic set features deep tufted buttons, nailhead trim, and rolled arms, giving your space that timeless Chesterfield charm. The calabash wood legs add a mid-century modern touch while keeping the frame durable and stable. The cushions are filled with high elastic sponge, offering both comfort and support, and they're removable for easy cleaning. Plus, the sturdy wooden frame ensures long-lasting durability, while the included soft pillows add extra coziness. Assembly is straightforward with detailed instructions, and each piece arrives safely packaged. If you want a sofa set that's elegant, comfortable, and built to last, the Avzier Chesterfield is the perfect choice for your living room or office. Marble coffee table. Looking for a sofa that's stylish, durable, and comfortable? Meet the Avzier 3-piece Chesterfield sofa set. It's designed in the classic Chesterfield style with deep button tufting, nail-head trim, and rolled arms, adding instant luxury to any space. The sturdy wooden frame makes it reliable and long-lasting, while the calabash wood legs give it a handcrafted, mid-century modern look. The cushions are filled with high-elastic sponge, so you get great support and comfort whether you're sitting, lounging, or napping. Plus, they're removable for easy cleaning. This set even comes with soft pillows for added coziness, and assembly is quick and simple with the included instructions. If you want a sofa that blends timeless style with everyday comfort, the Avzier Chesterfield is the perfect choice for your home. Crystal chandelier light fixtures. Looking for a light fixture that makes your home feel instantly luxurious? Meet the 23-inch modern crystal chandelier with 14 lights and 4 tiers of sparkling crystals. Built with a sturdy black-finished iron frame and over 150 clear crystals, this chandelier is designed to impress. At 23 inches wide with an adjustable chain up to 39 inches, it's perfect for dining rooms, living rooms, entryways, or even high foyers. It holds 14 E12 bulbs and is fully dimmable with the right switch and bulbs, so you can create the perfect lighting, whether it's bright and vibrant or warm and cozy. Installation is simple with included hardware and a step-by-step guide, and support is just a message away if you need help. If you want your home to look elegant, modern, and truly stunning, this crystal chandelier is the perfect upgrade. SS-Line Mirror Console Table. Looking for a way to instantly upgrade your entryway or living room? The SS-Line Mirror Console Table is a 55-inch modern luxury piece that's as functional as it is stunning. Its mirrored finish and trapezoid-shaped base bring a modern touch that reflects light, making your space feel brighter and more open. Whether you place it in your entryway, hallway, or behind a sofa, it blends effortlessly with any decor style, from minimalist to glamorous. The large tabletop gives you the perfect spot to showcase vases, lamps, or family photos, while its compact yet striking design makes it stand out in any room. Plus, it's easy to assemble with clear instructions and sturdy enough for long-lasting use thanks to its HD silver mirror glass and MDF construction. This isn't just a table. It's a statement piece that transforms your home decor. Living room coffee table. Looking for a coffee table that's both functional and a showstopper? Meet the S-Line Modern Glass Coffee Table. This luxury piece features a tempered glass top paired with a C-shaped mirrored stainless steel base, giving your living room a sleek, high-end look. The sturdy stainless steel legs ensure long-lasting stability, while the non-slip rubber feet protect your floors from scratches. With its spacious rectangular top, you'll have plenty of room for lamps, decor, books, or even just your morning coffee. And thanks to its modern space-saving design, it's ideal for apartments, dorms, or any home that values both style and practicality. Plus, assembly is quick and easy with the included instructions, and the glass surface is smooth and effortless to clean. The S-Line coffee table isn't just a table, it's a piece of modern art that elevates your entire room. Swivel barrel accent armchairs. Looking for an accent chair that combines style, comfort, and versatility? Meet the Canmove Swivel Barrel Accent Armchairs, set of 2. These modern round chairs swivel 360 degrees, so you can adjust your position without ever standing up. Upholstered in soft, breathable fabric with high-density foam and a special spring bag, the cushions stay plush and supportive for hours. Designed ergonomically with curved backrests, round armrests, and included pillows, they're perfect for reading, watching TV, or just relaxing in style. Each chair holds up to 300 pounds, and assembly takes just about 10 minutes. Whether in your living room or bedroom, these chairs bring comfort, elegance, and a modern vibe to your home, and with Canmove's 1-year warranty, you know they're built to last.